how you harvest. This is J3. My name is Gilbert Jr. Here we have 3 packages. Let's unbox it and see what we get inside each one. Okay, let's begin with the bigger one, this one. Okay, let me put it right here and initialize with these boxes. Okay, let's see what we get inside this box. Okay, let's see what we get inside here. Okay, yeah, man, look at this. Look at this, man. A mask, a paint chemical mask for this time, man. For this time, let's see inside this box. This is, let's see, the package right here, the package, and here we have the mask specification, everything in Chinese. I do not understand Chinese. Let's open it up and see what we get inside this box right here. All right, hey, fine. What is that? It's certificate, something, nothing more. Let's put it right here and let's see what we get. This is the filter and this is the mask. Let's see. Everything is okay. Let's open up one of this to see inside this box. This is for protection right here. I think we have to open right here. Yeah, right here. Okay, let's see the box we get. Yes, man, this is the mask for protection. Yes, it's fine. Have to put it right in the head, in the yes, it's PCI, not very much, but everything looks right for painting, for chemicals, for virus protection, and so on, dust protection, and so on. Okay, and here is the filter. We have to put it right here and right here. Okay, that's right. Let's see another one. Okay, this one, and this one is, I think, is the filter. Okay, is the filter, a bunch of filter for put it in that location. Okay, yes, right here. Yes, good. Filter for every day, maybe to work with, and for protection. Good, fine. Let's open another one. Okay, let's open another one. Sorry. See this box? Yes, let's open right here. See what we get inside this box. And yeah, man, I think this is, let me see, LoRa. Wow, look at this. LoRa, fine. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 LoRa. 4 LoRa. Let's see. Wow, fine. Look at this. For LoRa radio. Okay, look at this. This is LoRa radio. It's a 868 to 915 frequency. It's Brazil frequency. LoRa Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, classic in BLE. Alright, OLED, LiPo, and Heltec. Okay, fine. This is the antenna. Comes with an antenna. And let's open one to see what we get inside here. And there you have it. A LoRa radio. A fine LoRa radio, okay? This is awesome. It's very, very, very ship because it has LoRa. It has Bluetooth. It has Wi-Fi. It has two chip, SP32 and 8266. And there you have an OLED, LED, and USB port, and the antenna. And the antenna goes right here, okay, in that position. In that position, right here. Let me put on one antenna to see how it is. Okay, I have to be careful about this. But okay, antenna goes here, and the antenna is this one, okay? And I have 4 LoRa radio, okay? And I get this one because of this protection, okay? You have to be careful when you ask for this radio. And that's it. I think this is all for now. Let me show you everything what I have brought in this package, and this one, and there you have it. Thank you very much for joining me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend, viewers, subscribe, especially to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.